This video will explain how to avoid plagiarism by citing your research. The first thing to understand is that plagiarism is the act of using another person's words or ideas without giving credit to that person, or the act of plagiarizing something. You might wonder, why is plagiarism bad? Well, plagiarism is unethical because you're stealing someone's work for your benefit. Besides the moral issue, plagiarism is a breach of UMass Lowell's academic integrity policy that can lead to serious consequences. Even unintentional plagiarism can result in a lower or failing grade that can't be changed. You might be suspended from class or even get expelled. Some students think that if they are paraphrasing or using their own words to express another person's ideas, then they don't need to credit the source. This is not true. Even if you don't include the exact words, if you're presenting another person's work, you still need to give them credit. It's not just a case of changing a few words, and you need to be careful so that you don't misrepresent the research that you're referencing. Unacceptable paraphrasing, like this example, copies the original text almost exactly. You can see that a few words have been changed, but it's otherwise an exact match. Inaccurate paraphrasing uses new words, but misrepresents the original work. These paraphrased sentences not only have different words than the original text, but also state the exact opposite of the original work's meaning. Accurate and acceptable paraphrasing correctly presents the essence of the research by using your own words while also giving credit to the original author of that idea. In this example, the paraphrasing summarizes the original idea in new language and credits the source of the original work. The best way to avoid plagiarism is to cite your research on anything that wouldn't be common knowledge. Most people would know that the animal in this picture is a dog. However, most people would not know that there are 9 varieties of dachshunds in the world that vary in coat type and body size, so you need to cite that information. Professors want to see your thinking process, and using citation helps them to see how you connect related or contrasting information to make your case. Now, how do you cite research? You want to keep careful notes about your sources, including the author, title, and page number. It's also important to keep track of whether you plan to use direct quotes or paraphrasing. As for citations themselves, different fields of study have preferred standards or styles for citation. The social sciences mostly use APA, the humanities favor MLA or the Chicago Manual of Style, and engineering and computer science often use IEEE. If you're not sure which style of citation to use, ask your professor. Now let's look at some tools to help you write accurate citations. Some databases can automatically generate citations for you. Each database has a different interface, but you can usually find a citation generator on the same page as an article's publication details. This is a good time-saving tool for first drafts, but you'll want to check the auto-generated citation against the official style guidelines for your final work. A great resource for the most popular citation styles is the Purdue University Online Writing Lab, or OWL. Their citation hub collects guidelines for many popular citation styles. Those guidelines are periodically updated by the organizations that created them, and Purdue OWL keeps up with those revisions whenever they appear. You can learn more about these tools in our other tutorial videos. If you have any questions, the UMass Lowell Writing Center is a great place to start. You can book tutoring sessions with experts who will work with you at any stage of your writing assignments. And with locations on both North and South Campus, help is never far away. You can also visit uml.libanswers.com to browse frequently asked questions or use our live chat reference service to ask a librarian for help. I hope this has been a useful introduction to plagiarism and citation. Thanks for watching.